Hello everyone, in this video we will see how look behind works in regular expression. And look occurred will only work when a particular match is being followed by a pattern. Look behind works in the opposite way, that is if a particular pattern is being placed in the immediate left hand side of a match, then the match will be included in the find all. Otherwise the match will be omitted. So suppose you consider that we are going to match all the 3 digits starting with 5 only when it is been followed by a 2. Okay, so here you can see that this is a 3 digit number starting with 5 and it is followed by 2. Similarly, this is a 3 digit number starting with 5 and it is not followed by 2. And there is going to be a match here also because a 3 digit number starting with 5 is followed by 2, and at last this match is not going to be included because 2 is not being placed in immediate left hand side of this 5 to 6. So how to do this look behind this? The same way you have to start a bracket and put a question mark. Now instead of giving equal to, you have to give this less than symbol, and then you have to give equal to sign and you have to give a 2. So now let us run this code, and here you can see there are 2 matches and all these 2 matches has 2 in the immediate left hand side position. Similarly, there is a negative in this look behind. So instead of equal to, if you replace this with explanatory mark, then what it will do, it will match only when 2 is not present in the immediate left hand side. So let me run this code and you can see 5 to 8. Okay, so this is a match and you can see 2 is not present in the immediate left hand side. So it is getting caught in this find all.